Hello, welcome to APG Studio and another session, weekly yoga. This time we've done previous week's morning and evening, so time for midday yoga, something for your lunchtime right now. But before we start, please, if you haven't clicked subscribe already, please do it right now and click notification bell to never miss any content from my channel. And now we are ready to start our quick session for stretching lunchtime yoga right now. On your right knee, right hand on your left knee, show you here. So you've got opposite hand, opposite knee. Ready, inhale, try to twist to your left. As you exhale, back to center. Inhale. Slowly exhale, make sure you got good balance. So squeezing glutes, your back leg. Inhale and exhale. And relax. Change the sides. Left hand, right knee. Inhale. Slowly exhale. Inhale and exhale. Maybe one more. And relax. Okay. On your floor, make sure you've got your pelvis tucked under to control muscles in your belly. You've got muscles in your neck active as well, so you're not dropping your head down. And now left leg straight, keep on the floor and just rock your body front and back. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Okay, now right leg. Inhale and exhale. Last one, inhale and exhale. Give your arms and wrists some rest. Child pose again. If your own option, adaptation. Relax your shoulders. Relax your neck. You can rock your hips side to side. If you still some tension in your hips or your lower back. Okay, got forearms on the floor, feet knees together. I'm going to lift your left leg. Inhale, slowly exhale, straight leg down. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. And now your right inhale and exhale. Okay, good. On your four, left leg straight, one more time, and turn the right arm, inhale, and slowly exhale. Squeeze your glutes in your left, straight leg, and engage your abs. Inhale, and exhale, maybe one more. Okay, now right leg straight, strong glutes on your right and left arm. So we've got opposite leg, opposite arm. Inhale and exhale. And one more. Inhale and exhale. Okay. I'm going to sit with your cross legs. Right leg at the front, and now right arm, inhale and slowly exhale. Relax your left side. Inhale and exhale. And one more. And relax. Relax your shoulders. Left leg up the front, right arm. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. And again, relax your shoulders. Move. Inhale and exhale. Now your head. Inhale, look up. And exhale, head down. Inhale. Slowly exhale. And now turn your head side to side. And now tilt your head side to side. Good breaths. Inhale and slowly exhale. Don't forget to control your breaths. Inhale and slowly exhale. Now keep your chin low. Try to roll your head first, just halfway. Inhale, slowly exhale. And now try your head up. Deep breath in and slowly out. You can try all the way. Inhale, look up. Exhale, head down. Remember, you can change direction anytime you need to. And just one more. Okay, so thank you. Okay, so that's all for today. Wishing you nice afternoon and nice evening and another midday yoga tomorrow. Bye guys. Thank you for watching and please subscribe and click notifications on never miss any videos from my channel. Bye for now. See you tomorrow.